Hey guys, this is Japan Master channel. Today I would like to introduce how to make okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is a kind of Japanese pancake but not sweet one. It is Osaka soul food cooked on the iron plate and requires very variety of ingredients. Pretty much similar with takoyaki that I posted the video last time. Most difficult part of making okonomiyaki is flipping the okonomiyaki and try to maintain the beautiful round shape. Hope you figure out how to make okonomiyaki today. This is okonomiyaki powder. This is the instruction of how to make okonomiyaki. At first, put 100 grams of okonomiyaki powder on the bowl. Then pour 150 milliliters of water. Next, put raw egg inside the bowl and mix them. Next, I will make healthy okonomiyaki dough without using okonomiyaki powder. Prepare 150 grams of Yamimo. It is called yam in English. Y-A-M. At first, grate yam. Next, put raw egg into the bowl. Then put katsuobushi, the dry fish powder. And mix them well. Prepare 300 grams of cabbage. Cut into pieces. And also cut green onion into pieces. These are the okonomiyaki dough. Left side is a normal one and right side is a healthy one without using okonomiyaki powder. Put 300 grams of cabbage on the left bowl. Then put some green onions. And mix them well. On the light bowl, put 150 grams of cabbage. Put some green onions and mix them well. These are the completion of making okonomiyaki dough. Prepare topping ingredients. Pour cooking oil on the iron plate. Prepare ingredients for the okonomiyaki: pork, squid, and shrimp. Put okonomiyaki dough on the iron plate and make a round shape. Then put some ingredients on the top. Once bottom side is cooked, flip the other side. For the topping, put okonomiyaki sauce. Then put some mayonnaise. Sprinkle some aosa sea lettuce. Then sprinkle some katsuobushi, the dry bonito. If you like spicy taste, then sprinkle some ichimi, the cayenne pepper powder. Add red ginger. Then okonomiyaki is ready. I'm not sure you can get all the ingredients required to make the okonomiyaki in overseas. But I guess you can find some ingredients from the Asian shop. And also you understand how to make okonomiyaki with today's video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the contents, please press like, and if you want to know more about Japan, please press subscribe button. I will see you soon. Bye.